Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to this overview of the ESS BIZTOOLS Gold Package. This package has been developed to assist professional firms, accountants, business advisors and bookkeepers to introduce a range of non-compliant services to your clients. For the last 15 years, various surveys have been conducted by MYOB, CCH, Smith Inc., various universities and other organisations. And all of these surveys have identified that small, medium enterprises, who I presume are the majority of your clients, have been indicating in those various surveys that they require more commercial services to assist them in their businesses. The logical group that they are going to turn to for those services are accountants, business advisors and bookkeepers. And therefore this product has been developed by an experienced team of accountants and consultants to assist you to deliver those services, to save you the time of recreating the wheel. So the package includes the business advisory services training modules, which is where we would suggest you start, because it's very important if you're aspiring to create business advisory services to be a very significant component of your fee income. And in that regard, we would believe that figure should be around 40 to 50% of your firm's overall income within the next 3 to 4 years. That if you're going to do this, you need to lay the foundations. And you can lay the foundations by the business advisory services training modules. The next product that you should look at is the business advisory services product modules. There's 15 of these product modules at present, and over the next 12 months we'll be developing another 3, and the following year another 3. And the way we work with our subscribers is that if a new product is developed during the 12 month of your subscription, you automatically receive access to that new product that we have developed. So the product modules covers items such as Chief Financial Officer services, debtors management, debtors systems manual, personal property securities register due diligence system, succession planning, buying a business, selling a business, early stage innovation companies, crowdsourced funding companies, budgets and cash flow forecasts, business plans, and there is a few others. The next area is the client mentoring and coaching. There are 12 modules that have been specifically developed to assist you to educate your clients into the type of services that you can provide. Many accountants for many years have basically only supplied an annual accounts and an income tax return service, and since 2000 business advisory services relative to the business activity statements, GST. Not many accounting firms have gone out and openly promoted to clients government grants, business plans, succession planning, debtors management, risk management areas. And therefore, if you're now going to embark on offering these business advisory services, we believe you need to educate your clients that your firm is able to deliver these services. Otherwise, many of your clients will believe that you're only able to produce taxation and annual accounts. And whilst they're looking for this new range of services, you don't want them to go off to other firms thinking that you're not interested in this whole new area of business advisory services. So the client mentoring and coaching modules are a way to show your clients, to educate them, and the wider range of services that you will be able to offer. Client seminars and webinars. I've been an accountant for a long time, and I started promotion of a wider range of services way back in the mid-80s. And I've got no doubt that seminars are the greatest marketing promotional tool that accountants can utilise. Sure, social media helps these days, but having a group of clients, 10, 20, 30, within a seminar environment is the way to really promote that you are aware of the wider range of services. And the other very important aspect is you get feedback from the clients. So the client seminars, webinars, there's 35 pre-prepared, ready to use seminars or webinars. All you have to do is to read the material. All the organisational material is there. Every letter or email that you might have to send. Even commentary to send to your local media is included in the kit. Business Plus newsletter is a newsletter we produce every month by January that is able to be branded with your firm name and logo and sent to your clients. The newsletter is specifically prepared, targeted at small, medium enterprises. And it talks about services that you could provide to them. Virtually every article finishes with a call to action. Words to the effect that if you want to come and talk to us about the implications of this article, which might have been on succession planning or early stage innovation companies or chief financial officer services, if you're interested, come and talk to us, because we want you to use the Business Plus client newsletter as a marketing tool to promote your wider range of services to your clients. We are very proud to have a leadership segment within ESS BizTools. This has been written by a separate consultant, Peter McDougall, the Managing Director of Leadership Academy. Peter McDougall is a former colonel in the Australian Army, and when he left the Army he set up Leadership Academy, which basically worked with big business and government departments. A few years ago I talked him into writing a small, medium enterprise version. There are 8 separate modules, and what most of our subscribers do is initially use that material with your own team to get them ready to deliver this new range of services. And then some of our subscribers are using that material to conduct leadership training with their clients. And this is the way forward, I think, for accountancy firms. We have to embrace these new subjects if we are going to be the key commercial advisors to small, medium enterprises. Identifying government grants. Do you realise there's over $3 billion per annum made available primarily to small, medium enterprises in Australia from the federal, state and territory governments every year? Are your clients receiving their fair share of those grants? We've developed a separate product called ESS BizGrants, which is part of the Gold subscription. And you can insert the basic information about your clients, take about 3 minutes, and then review the preliminary overview of grants that might be available for that client that the system produces. That will take about 10 to 12 minutes. And then you're able to sit down and have a conversation with a client about the grants that they might be able to apply for. SMEs think this is very good. They think it's very rewarding to have an accountancy firm who are showing that they are proactive in identifying these services. Each month we run a webinar program for our subscribers. There's one special webinar that you can participate in. We try to encourage conversations, questions, discussions, criticisms even, so that you can be part of an overall group of accountants all over Australia who are participating in our products to get some ideas as to how people are using various components. We also have a special webinar once a month for new subscribers. The word new could be put in inverted commas, so if you've got new members of your staff or you want a refresher with your staff, just register to send those people along to that webinar. It's free, it's part of your subscription. So please use it. Members Alert, we produce that once a month. It's an article, and we also produce a short video to communicate with our subscribers as to where we are in various programs. A discussion about what's been included so that you don't miss it, so that you're aware that a new product has been developed and is now within ESS BizTools. The most recent one we've been talking about is crowdsourced funding. But there are conversations each month about new papers or articles or webinars that we're conducting so that you're aware. And also there's a very important component of it. There's a list every month of the closing date for government applications. The various government departments, particularly the state and territory governments, have deadline dates on lodgement of applications. And sometimes these can get away from you a bit. You've got a lot of other deadlines to do with the tax office. So we give you an update every month of looking forward a little bit over the next 2 to 3 months. What are the deadlines for applications that you need to be aware of? So welcome to ESS BizTools Gold Package. If you've got any questions on any aspect of the products or services that ESS BizTools or ESS BizGrants can make available to you, please don't hesitate to contact us. We look forward to your firm becoming a subscriber to ESS BizTools. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.